nice ball in there. Really good work. So, we may see him again today. You never do know. I'll tell you, Arthur's not been able to play many good balls from the corner tonight. That's an ideal free catch. He hasn't been his normal self on third ball situation. And here comes Gallagher. Another hard-nosed Bartle. Hunter on a long-range strike.
There it is!
Wow.
There it is. Makes up for a lack of a dead ball situation. And what do you know? That same situation we saw from the first game.
We said it.
We're good.
Hunter will hang out there. He'll change the game. And I don't want to say I told you so, but I told you so.
Hey, there's his 10th goal of the season. And the Chanticleers have taken a 1-0 lead with about 9 minutes to go.
Can't help but note the eerie similarities to the first time I found a scoreless draw through about 82 minutes.